Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Shri Ram. Soil to soil. But my experience is different or wonderful. Soil to soil. Wherever we were in this yatra, it is whether it is Ayodhya, Ramlalla, Chitrakoot, Prayagraj or Varanasi. Everywhere I was meeting my soil. મારી ધરતી અને હું બે જાણે એક થઈ ગયા હતા. રામલલ્લાના દર્શન એટલા સરસ થયા, એટલી સરસ ગંગા આરતી. I was in totally different world. I would say it was a wonderful experience. અને પ્રયાગરાજ ત્રિવેણી સંગમમાં સ્નાન કરવાનું તો મેં સપનું નહોતું જોયું, પણ એ મારું એટલી સરસ રીતે સિદ્ધ થયું કે મેં એકવાર નહીં 7 વાર ડૂબકી મારી. અને એક્સપિરિયન્સ થવાનું બધું જ મારા નસીબમાં લખ્યું હતું, પણ એ સોઇલ ટુ સોલ થ્રુ. અને વારાણસીમાં બી બહુ સરસ દર્શન થયા. આ બધું successfully, everything is carried out and was carried out wonderfully by the team of people with heartwarming hospitality. What a wonderful team. They all together treated us like a family. I didn't feel that I am in any tour. It was like a પરિવારની યાત્રા. અને it is said that your beauty of anybody is your inner beauty. And this is my experience. It's a bundle of experiences, divine experiences, which I will never forget in my life. And Bhavesh Bhai, I think Srinathji Baba sent Bhavesh Bhai in a different form to protect me everywhere and made me so secure that I did all this yatra with the support of everybody in this yatra and with the heartwarming, touching and caring feelings. This has become like a bundle of spiritual experience for me, and I will never forget in my life. It has made me from within more beautiful. Thank you to everybody. Thank you very much. Soil to soul made me so wonderful. Thank you.